Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to this channel. Here, you practice listening to English before sleep. We call it healing English. The words are simple. The voice is gentle. The rhythm is calm. This channel is made to help you relax, heal, and fall asleep peacefully. Tonight's theme is drift into calm dreams. We will let the day go and float softly into dreams of peace. Dreams are like a soft river. They carry you into another world, a world without pressure, a world without fear, a world where you can rest. When you drift into dreams, you do not need to try. You do not need to fight. You only need to let go. Like a leaf floating on water, you will be carried. Before sleep, say to your heart, "You are safe now. You have done enough. You may rest." Your heart listens. It slows down. It beats more softly. It carries you into calm. Take a deep breath in. Hold it gently. Now breathe out slowly. Again, breathe in peace. Breathe out stress. Each breath carries you closer to sleep. Each breath carries you closer to dreams. Imagine a feather. It falls from the sky. It is light. It does not rush. It simply drifts. The feather lands softly on the ground. No effort, no noise. You are like this feather tonight, drifting softly, slowly into your dreams. Say goodnight to each part of you. Goodnight to your head. Let your thoughts slow. Good night to your eyes. Let them close softly. Good night to your shoulders. Let them drop their weight. Good night to your arms and hands. They do not need to hold anything now. Good night to your legs and feet. They do not need to walk tonight. Your whole body rests. Your whole body drifts. Imagine you are lying on a quiet ocean. The water is calm. It moves gently under you. You float. You do not sink. You do not fight. The ocean carries you. The ocean whispers, "Rest, dear one. Dream, dear one." You are safe on this calm ocean. You are free to drift. Repeat these words in your heart. I am ready to rest. I let go of the day. I welcome calm dreams. I am safe. I am loved. Let these words flow into you. Let them become true. Now imagine a soft wooden door. It is half open. A gentle light shines from inside. This is the door to your dreams. Step closer. Open it slowly. Walk inside. The room is full of peace. It is full of comfort. It is full of gentle dreams. You lie down in this dream room. You feel at home. You feel calm. There is a garden in the dream world. The grass is soft. The flowers glow in moonlight. The air is sweet and quiet. You walk slowly in the garden. You hear a soft voice in the wind. It says, "Good night, child. Rest here." You sit under a tree. You close your eyes. You drift into calm dreams. Now, feel yourself floating deeper, like sinking softly into a warm bed, like falling gently into soft clouds. Every second, you go deeper into rest, deeper into calm, deeper into dreams. Before you sleep fully, receive this blessing. May your dreams be gentle. May your sleep be safe. May your night bring healing. May your morning bring light. You deserve rest. You deserve peace. You deserve calm dreams. This channel is here for you, to give you simple English, to give you healing words, to give you peaceful rest. So tonight, drift into calm dreams. Let yourself go. Let yourself sleep. Good night, dear one. Good night.